Hi! Welcome back to Kawaii Gym Co. My name is Simone, and today I'm going to show you guys how I brand my business. Maybe give you some ideas on how to brand your business. I'm going to show you how I make like custom tissue paper, business cards, and everything in between. If you're new here, I sell jewelry, earrings, accessories, and charms with my small business, Kawaii Gym Co. And let me show you how I brand my business, okay? Let's get into it. This is where I pack all of my orders, film all my videos, do all my clay products. I actually just made some new business cards yesterday, and it was really fun because these ones actually have my QR code on them, so that instead of having to look me up on social media, you could just scan my QR code and go straight to my website. So even on my business cards, like I do include my QR code, but another thing I do is I make sure that I give a discount code. So I always include a discount code on all my business cards and my thank you cards. I designed it on Canva, which is where I designed all of my products. And here is also my custom tissue paper. My tissue paper design I also make in Canva as well. Also just makes it look prettier with my pink wrapping as well. I actually love it when it goes into my mailers, which I have a vinyl printed design of my logo, which I also did in Canva with my vinyl sheets. I actually cut this one out by hand without using my Cameo, so if you don't have a Cameo machine, you can still make these. I use this cutting edge tool right here that I got off of Amazon, only a couple dollars, and it lets you cut off the edges of your cards, your business cards, your thank you cards, or any other stationery that you're making. And I think the curved look just looks better. Instead of using my Cameo, I have this big ruler color here that I use. And you just put it in, you can cut it, and then I round off the edges. The Cameo does save you time, but it's definitely not required for you to make your own branding. And I really enjoy making my own branding. It's actually my favorite part. I love when you get to open an order and it's custom made for you. I like to switch up my branding and make sure it's representing who I am now and where I am now as an artist and as a business owner. So whenever I'm feeling like it needs an update or it needs some more love or color, I will just go ahead and update it. So I make all of my designs in Canva. Whenever I'm packing orders, especially on my thank you card, I try to include all of my relevant information. So I always try to include freebies. So on this one, I have 2 different freebies on my thank you card. On the front of it, I have a scratch to save where they can scratch the sticker I'm gonna put on and get a 20% off to come back and shop again. It also includes the QR code to my website as well, so they can easily get to it. And then on the other side, I include a free sticker, and I make sure that my free stickers always have my logo on it. Here is my business cards that I also designed right in Canva. I was even able to make this little cute mini me cloud here in Canva of my little own personality, so I love that a lot. Canva also now has a QR code generator, which I was able to use to generate my website. You can use different QR code generators, but it's nice that Canva just has it built in. My tissue paper I also make in Canva. Basically, I just kept layering it on Canva until I found a design that works for me. I'm going to show you guys how my branding and everything looks once I've packed an order, how cohesive it looks. Hopefully that gives you some ideas on branding your business, or maybe just enjoy the vibes of branding my own business. After you've taken your order out the mailer from us, this is what it will look like. Once you open the box, you see the thank you card that has your free sticker on it. You have the scratch to save, which you can scratch to get a random coupon. We open it up. I have my thank you sticker, and this one, it has a sticker pack which comes with some of our holographic stickers. My business card is in there, which you'll find a second coupon code, and then you'll have your actual order. And this one, it is a pair of earrings as well as a keychain. And yeah, that's it. This is how it looks once you open an order from us. Thank you so much for watching my video today on how I brand my business and make all of my logo and branding from scratch at home. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Tune in next week where I'll show you more about starting your small business or my small business life. I'll have a market here in February 1st that I'll also do a little vlog on, show you guys how it actually is as a small business at a market. So if any of that interests you, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.